If we take a look at all of the mysterious lights flashing around the world, put them all together, just myself alone, I have over 1,300 examples of malfunctioning lights. Here's 47 over in the United Kingdom and Europe, and I have more to put on the map. Here's video number 1 of the mysterious flashing lights. Video footage sent in by Marcus out of Sweden from a couple of nights ago on the 18th. Several lights malfunctioning for unknown reasons. This is probably the largest example I've seen out of Sweden, and I've gotten several examples out of Sweden. Meanwhile, 9,626 miles away, check out what was going on down in Australia. Down in Rouse Hill, Australia, on the night of May 19th of 2025, sent in by Anonymous. Check out the multiple lights flashing for unknown reasons. Also covering a wide area. The Earth is trying to tell us something. This is not normal. I don't remember this ever happening in my entire life. All of a sudden, in the last 6 months, I'm getting videos every day from various locations all around the world. This one here is quite unique, sent in by Brian out of Brownstown, Michigan, just south of Detroit, May 18th of 2025. This light's not even connected to the grid. It's a solar light in his backyard, malfunctioning, rogue and randomly, for unknown reasons. Unbelievable. So whatever it is, it has the ability to cause solar lights to malfunction. Carol Lee, not sure of the location. This occurred yesterday, May 19th. A light inside their home, malfunctioning for unknown reasons, almost as if it were taking pictures. That was so bright at times. And example number 5's basically a carbon copy of the one we just saw. A ceiling light malfunctioning, flashing very rapidly for unknown reasons. You never know when or where this is going to show up. It is definitely rogue and random, sweeping the Earth. I've gotten videos from all around the world. Example number 6, sent in by Wanda Brewster from May 19th of 2025. This too covered a very large area. Look at all these malfunctioning lights. I mean, there's something going on, and the news media won't talk about it. And it seems like this is getting stronger. It's glaringly obvious that something is not right here. And once again, this is a big story, and the news media is being completely quiet about it. Example number 7 by Christos out of Cleveland, Ohio, driving down the highway, noticed a rogue and random light flashing very rapidly for unknown reasons. And it was the only street light right here in this area, and it was malfunctioning right there all by itself. Cleveland's been a hot spot. I've received several videos out of the Cleveland area, Ohio in general. Going to Palm Desert, California, May 19th of 2025. Video footage sent in by James P. Once again, parking lot lights malfunctioning, and not just one, several throughout the entire parking lot. In this video footage that James sent in, there were too many to even count. Here's another view, a different angle of the same parking lot. This was a huge parking lot with multiple malfunctioning lights. Again, this is a global phenomena. It's not just isolated to the United States and Canada. I've even received video footage out of Mexico. Look at all the lights back there malfunctioning. To me, this is a big deal. I mean, I can't recall ever pulling into a parking lot of any department store, a strip mall like you see right here, and seeing lights like this, especially covering a large area, malfunctioning for unknown reasons. I just don't recall ever seeing anything like this in the past. It's a big story, and again, the news media is being very quiet about it. This is covering the entire Earth. Here's example number 9, sent in by Ian out of Bullhead City, Arizona, from May 17th of 2025. Also sitting in a parking lot, notice the parking lot lights malfunctioning right underneath his car, and then off in the distance over there. I received multiple examples out of Bullhead City, Arizona. Ohio's been a hot spot. Tennessee's been a hot spot. There have been a lot of hot spots, and the state of Florida has been very active. By request, I received a couple more emails, folks wanting to know about the private jet situation, the huge increase in private jet activity. So what I did, I highlighted 3 areas on the map instead of trying to count all of the private jets that are on this map over here at Flight Radar 24. And trust me, there's several hundred on here. So what I did, I highlighted this area right here in the upper right-hand corner. There were 21 private jets right up in here. There were more private jets in that area than there were commercial jets. This area right here had 14 private jets. The private jets are the small ones. And then the last location right out here in the Gulf, there were 13 right here in a row. There were more private jets in this area than there were commercial jets. So I'm wondering if there's some sort of a coupon or something going around offering a discount for private jet travel, because there has been an exponential increase in private jet activity just in the last couple of months. But right now, guys, all eyes are on the Pacific Northwest as we await the eruption of a volcano off the coast of Oregon. We'll have to wait and see what happens. They say right now there shouldn't be a tsunami. Thanks for watching. Have a super day and be safe out there.